We have actually masked SAP HANA for a number of enterprise customers. But prior to that, we've actually worked with SAP to ensure that we are certified in context. With our solution, there are two primary values our customers get. They are able to identify what is sensitive in their SAP environment and be able to de-risk this data across whether it's cloud or across multiple applications that have integrity, either being a source to the data that's in SAP or SAP being source to that lower data source. And the reason we can do this is that our products abstract transformation mechanisms, meaning when we take a value A and mask it to a value B, we can consistently do this across any data source, any timeline, any location of data, whether it's in the public cloud or on-prem. Our capability of our products, which I'm going to showcase to you as part of this demo, is that we can work with any application, which is a database or a file or a mainframe. We can mask any data realistically. One of the key values we have is we can identify what this data looks like. I'd like to show you that with our product line. So what I have for a demo here is that I have an SAP application that has data from HANA. I have our masking engine in here, a compliance engine, where I have a connection to, as you would expect, to a HANA environment. Let's pull that up. We use SAP HANA drivers right out of the box so that you can use using native drivers to read and write data. This is how you achieve partially 4 to 5 million rows a minute using the in-memory database. And when we connect this to this data source, we can in fact identify what is sensitive across all of the tables that you might have. In some instances, there are 80,000 plus tables in an SAP data source that's kind of coming out of the box. And some of our customers have upwards of 100,000 objects or tables in their environment. We have what we call accelerators that are available for SAP specifically that can scan the SAP's data model and identify about 500 tables right out of the box, as well as continue to scan both the metadata and the data in your SAP data source to identify what's sensitive. Out of this process, what you end up with is that the tables that you would have that have sensitive data in it are automatically identified and ready to be transformed or masked or scrambled so that your lower environments are protected.